The 10 Ultimate Workout Challenges to Melt Belly Fat Fast. If you're tired of that stubborn belly fat and ready to finally see real results, this is the video you've been waiting for. But I've got to warn you, this isn't just a workout. This is a challenge that's going to push you harder than ever before. We're talking 10 ultimate fat-melting core sculpting workouts designed to burn maximum calories and carve out that waistline. And here's the best part: no gym, no equipment, just your determination and a whole lot of sweat. But listen, don't you dare quit halfway, because the people who stick around, they're the ones who see results. And if you stay with me until the end, I'm dropping some game-changing tips that'll help you melt fat even faster. So if you're ready to transform your body, boost your confidence, and prove to yourself that you can do this, take a deep breath, hit that like button for good luck, and let's crush this together. 1. Burpee Blast. Team, let's bring the heat with Burpee Blast. This is a full-body powerhouse. It's cardio, strength, and core all rolled into one. And yeah, it's tough, but so are you. Let's do this. Start standing, feet shoulder width apart, core tight, energy high. Drop into a squat, hands to the floor. Kick your feet back into a high plank, body straight, no sagging hips. Hit a push-up because you're a beast. Jump your feet back in and explode up, reaching high into the air. I know it's tough, but every rep takes you closer to your goals. Keep that core tight, land softly, and breathe through it. You're not just burning fat, you're building strength, endurance, and serious abs. Want to level up? Add a tuck jump at the top. Need to modify? Step your feet back instead of jumping. But whatever you do, don't stop moving. You're halfway there, stay in it. I know you're tired, but that's where the real results happen. If you pushed through without stopping, drop a in the comments. And if you're dripping sweat right now, that's proof you showed up and gave it your all. 2. Plank Variations. Fit fam, time to take the classic plank and turn it into a core-crushing challenge. We're not just holding still, we're adding movement, balance, and fire to target those abs from every angle. Elbows under shoulders, body in a straight line, core engaged, glutes tight. Hold it steady. From that forearm plank, twist your hips side to side, lightly tapping the floor. Feel that oblique burn. That's the magic. Hop up into a high plank and tap your opposite shoulder while keeping those hips as still as possible. Slow and controlled is the key. We're doing 30 seconds of each variation. Ready? Tight core, no sagging hips. Breathe through it, you're stronger than you think. Feel those obliques light up. Keep the motion controlled and your body aligned. Stay in it. This one's all about stability. The less your hips sway, the more your core works. You've got this. Almost there, don't drop now. If your abs are on fire right now, you did it right. Drop in the comments if you pushed through, and if you made it without dropping, you're an absolute beast. Hit me with a 3. Mountain Climbers. Mountain climbers are a total body burner, but the real star here, your core. Every knee drive is sculpting those abs and helping you shred that belly fat. So let's do this, no holding back. Start in a high plank position, wrists under shoulders, body in a straight line. Keep that core tight and your hips leveled, no bouncing up and down. Drive your knees toward your chest, one at a time, as fast as you can while staying in control. Keep breathing, stay light on your toes, and don't stop moving. I know this feels fast, but keep your form. The tighter your core, the better your results. Think quality over speed, but hey, if you can go fast and keep it clean, want to take it up a notch? Cross your knees toward the opposite elbow to hit those obliques, or slow it down for a controlled intense burn. We're halfway there, stay strong. I know those shoulders are burning, I know your core is shaking, but this is where the magic happens. Push through. If you're out of breath and your abs are on fire, you did it right. Drop in the comments if you made it through without stopping, and if you're dripping sweat. 4. HIIT Circuit. High intensity interval training circuit. And if you want to burn fat fast and build serious core strength, this is the way to do it. We're going 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off, and I need your max effort. Let's go all in. Feet shoulder width apart, squat down and explode up. Land soft, keep your core engaged and keep moving. High plank, tight core, and tap that opposite shoulder without letting your hips sway. Drive those knees up, pump your arms, and go for speed and height. Sit on the ground, lean back slightly and twist side to side, tapping the floor. Want a challenge? Lift your feet off the ground. You know these are the ultimate fat burners. We're doing 2 rounds, so bring the energy. Stay with me, this is where the change happens. Push through that burn, breathe through the fatigue, you're stronger than you think. Halfway there, don't quit now. Every rep gets you closer to those abs. Go all out. This is where you leave it all on the mat. If you're out of breath, drenched in sweat, and feeling unstoppable, that's how you know you crushed it. Drop in the comments if you made it through both rounds without stopping, and if you pushed your hardest. Hit me with a 5. Jump squats. Jump squats are all about power, speed, and control, and when you bring the heat, you torch calories and build those abs from the inside out. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, chest up, core tight. Drop into a deep squat, push your hips back, keep your knees behind your toes, and engage that core. Jump as high as you can, reaching for the sky. Bend your knees and go right back into the next rep. We're going for 45 seconds, give me your all. Ready, let's jump. Feel that burn? That's strength building and fat melting. Stay light on your feet, keep your core tight, and keep pushing. Halfway there, don't slow down. This is where you build those killer abs and powerful legs. Want an extra challenge? Hold a light weight or add a pulse at the bottom of the squat before jumping up. If your legs are shaking and your heart's pounding, you did it right. Drop in the comments if you stayed with me and if you kept that energy up till the end. Hit me with a because you're a beast. 6. Russian twists. Russian twists are about to light up your core, especially those side abs. Ready to feel the burn? Let's go. Sit on the floor, knees bent, feet flat, lean back slightly until you feel that core engage. Keep your chest up, back straight, and lift your feet off the ground if you want a challenge. Twist your torso, tapping the floor on one side, then the other, that's 1 rep. Keep your movement controlled, no rushing. Feel those obliques work. We're going for 45 seconds, bring the heat. Feel that burn. That's your waistline tightening, and your core getting stronger with every twist. Halfway there, don't drop those feet. Stay focused, stay strong. Want to level up? Hold a weight or medicine ball as you twist, or slow it down for an even deeper burn. If your abs are on fire right now, you crushed it. Drop in the comments if you kept those feet up the whole time and if you pushed through the burn. Hit me with a because you're a core warrior. Take a breath, stretch it out, and get ready. We're just getting started, and those abs, they're on the way. Let's keep it going. 7. Reverse crunches. Reverse crunches are one of the best moves for hitting those lower abs, and they're gonna help you say goodbye to belly fat for good. Lie flat on your back, hands by your sides or under your glutes for support. Bring your knees up, keeping them bent at 90 degrees, feet off the floor. Tighten that core and use your abs to lift your hips off the ground, bringing your knees toward your chest. Lower your hips back down slowly and with control, don't just drop them. We're going for 45 seconds, make every rep count. Feel that lower belly working? That's where the real magic happens. Keep the movement slow and controlled, no momentum, just pure core strength. Halfway there, don't quit now. Keep those hips lifting and your abs tight. Want an extra challenge? Straighten your legs at the bottom for a lower leg hover before the next crunch. That extra hold will take this to a whole new level. If your lower abs are on fire, you did it right. Drop in the comments if you kept perfect form the whole time and if you felt that deep burn. Hit me with a because you're putting in serious work. Take a breath, stretch it out, and get ready because we're just getting started. Let's keep pushing. 8. High knees. High knees are all about speed, power, and core engagement. If you want those abs to pop, you've got to move with purpose. Stand tall, chest up, core tight. Drive your knees up toward your chest, one at a time, as high as you can go. Pump your arms like you mean it. This isn't just about your legs, it's a full body effort. Stay light on your feet and keep your core engaged the whole time. We're going for 45 seconds, and I want max effort. Ready? Let's go. Faster team, get those knees higher, feel that core working with every step. Halfway there, don't slow down. Push through that burn and keep that energy up. Want to make it harder? Add a twist, bring your opposite elbow to your knee as you drive it up for an extra oblique burn. If you're out of breath and your core's on fire, you did it right. Drop in the comments if you kept that speed up the whole time and if you pushed through the burn. Hit me with a because you're a machine. 9. Side plank dips. Side plank dips are all about control, and when you really focus on form, you're gonna feel that burn like never before. Start in a side plank position, elbow directly under your shoulder body in a straight line. Stack your feet or stagger them for balance, core tight, hips lifted. Lower your hips toward the ground, then lift them back up, squeeze those obliques at the top. Keep your movement slow and controlled, no rushing. We're going 30 seconds per side, so stay strong and give me your best. Feel that squeeze at the top? That's your obliques working overtime, stay in it. Halfway there, don't drop those hips. Keep pushing, keep that core engaged. Want to level up? Extend your top arm straight up or lift your top leg for an extra challenge. Switch sides, let's keep that momentum going. If your sides are on fire, you nailed it. Drop in the comments if you kept perfect form the whole time and if you pushed through the burn. Hit me with a because you're putting in serious work. 10. Bicycle crunches. We're ending with bicycle crunches, a killer move that hits your upper abs, lower abs, and obliques all at once. Let's turn up the intensity and give this everything we've got. Lie flat on your back, hands lightly behind your head, no pulling on your neck. Lift your shoulder blades off the ground and bring your knees up. Twist your torso, bringing your right elbow toward your left knee as you extend your right right leg out. Switch sides, left elbow to right knee, keeping that pedaling motion going. Move slow and controlled, focus on form not speed. We're going for 45 seconds, and I want you to push till the end. Feel that twist. That's your obliques firing up. Keep your core tight and those shoulders lifted. Halfway there, don't drop those legs. Stay strong and keep moving. Want to take this up a notch? Slow it down and hold each twist for 2 seconds. That extra squeeze makes a huge difference. If your abs are on fire, you crushed it. Drop in the comments if you kept perfect form the whole time, and if you pushed through every second. Hit me with a because you went beast mode. Take a second to breathe, stretch that core, you earned it. And if you made it through this entire workout, you're a certified legend. Those abs, they're on the way, and we're just getting started. You didn't just make it, you crushed it. But listen, this isn't the end of your journey. This is just the beginning. The sweat, the burn, the moments you wanted to quit but didn't, that's where real change happens. So here's my challenge to you: don't stop now. Commit to these 10 workouts for the next 10 days. Push yourself harder than you ever have before. And when you start seeing that waistline shrink and those abs pop, you'll know it was because you showed up and did the work. And I want to hear about it. Drop a comment below, tell me which workout pushed you the hardest and how you're feeling after this challenge. And hey, if you felt that burn, if you want more results, hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed, because we're just getting started. More fat torching, body shaping workouts are coming your way. Stay strong, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.